Are you tired of blind spots and nerve-wracking parking situations? In 2025, backup cameras have evolved with cutting-edge technology, offering superior clarity, night vision, and smart assistance. But with so many choices, which one truly stands out? Today, we unveil the top 5 best backup cameras of 2025, carefully selected for their performance, reliability, and innovation. Stay with us till the end, as our number 1 pick might just surprise you with features you never knew you needed. Ready to enhance your driving experience? If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Wolfbox G840S Backup Camera. A feature-packed mirror dashcam with 4K UHD clarity, a wide field of view, superior night vision, and GPS tracking. Let's dive into its features and see if it's the perfect upgrade for your vehicle. The Wolfbox G840S boasts a 4K UHD front camera, 2160p, and a 1080p rear camera, delivering sharp, detailed footage. With a 12-inch display, you get 1.5 times the viewing area of a traditional mirror, minimizing blind spots and enhancing overall safety. It's perfect for capturing road details with precision. Equipped with a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, this camera provides an expanded field of view, reducing risks while driving or reversing. The smart split-screen mode allows you to monitor both views at once, and the 2.5D curved screen seamlessly blends into your car's design. The low reflectivity LCD minimizes glare for better visibility during the day, while WDR and HDR technology enhance image clarity in low-light conditions. A 6-glass lens and professional-grade sensor ensure crisp night vision, making it a reliable companion for nighttime drives or challenging weather conditions. The included external GPS antenna tracks real-time location and speed data, which can be accessed directly from the dashcam. This feature is invaluable for reviewing routes, monitoring driving habits, and even providing essential evidence in case of an incident. With time-lapse mode, the Wolfbox G840S records continuously at a low frame rate, saving power while keeping an eye on your vehicle. A hardwire kit is required for 24-hour monitoring, ensuring round-the-clock security and peace of mind against theft or vandalism. So, is the Wolfbox G840S worth it? Absolutely. With 4K resolution, enhanced night vision, GPS tracking, and 24-hour monitoring, it's a fantastic addition to any car. Number 4. The EWay Wi-Fi Magnetic Hitch Wireless Backup Camera. A portable, easy-to-use, and feature-packed backup camera designed to make towing and reversing a breeze. Stick around as we break down its top 5 features and see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about the strong magnetic mount. This backup camera is equipped with 4 powerful magnets, each with a 15-pound pull force. That means it sticks securely to any flat metal surface without worrying about it shifting or falling off. Perfect for trailers, trucks, and RVs, this solid grip makes installation effortless. No wires? No problem. The EWay magnetic hitch camera is completely wireless thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery. You don't need to drill holes or deal with messy cables. Just charge it up, attach it, and you're good to go. This feature makes it incredibly versatile for temporary use or switching between vehicles. A backup camera is only useful if it works in all conditions. With 9 infrared night vision lights and a high-sensitivity CMOS sensor, this camera delivers crystal-clear images even in complete darkness, up to 30 feet away. Plus, with an IP68 waterproof rating, it can handle rain, dust, and even submersion in water. One of the standout features is its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. It delivers a smooth, real-time video feed directly to your phone via the RV Camera app. While it's best suited for vehicles under 35 feet, it's a fantastic option for SUVs, campers, and even farm equipment. Finally, the real-time image transmission makes reversing and hitching incredibly simple. Just open the RV Camera app on your iPhone or Android, accept Google Pixel and Motorola phones, and you've got a live view from your camera. No delays, no lag, just instant feedback when you need it most. So, is the EWay Wi-Fi Magnetic Hitch Backup Camera worth it? Absolutely. With easy installation, strong magnets, night vision, waterproof durability, and a stable Wi-Fi connection, this camera is a must-have for anyone who tows trailers, RVs, or large vehicles. Number 3. The LeeKooLuu Backup Camera, a compact and reliable solution to improve your vehicle's safety. If you're looking for an easy-to-install, high-quality backup camera, this might be the perfect fit for you. Let's dive into the features and see if it lives up to the hype. One of the standout features of the LeeKooLuu Backup Camera is its super simple installation. In just 15 minutes, you can have it up and running. Simply connect the camera and monitor using the 4-pin video power cable, then plug it into your cigarette lighter or USB plug. It's that easy. No complex wiring required. A common issue with many backup cameras is weak or delayed signals, but LeeKooLuu solves that problem. This system ensures real-time data transmission, meaning you won't experience lags, interference, or fluctuations. You'll get HD 1080p color images with zero delays, making your driving experience safer and more reliable. Durability is key, and this camera is built to last. With an IP69 waterproof rating, it can handle rain, snow, dust, and even extreme temperatures ranging from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're driving through a storm or on a dusty road, this camera will keep working flawlessly. Thanks to its advanced optical anti-shaking technology and SC1346 color image sensor chip, this camera delivers crystal clear images even on rough roads. Plus, with 6 built-in white LEDs, an anti-halo chip, and a 650 filter chip, night vision mode kicks in automatically, ensuring high-resolution color images 24/7. The 4.3-inch LCD display is the perfect size, not too big, not too small. Its 360 degrees rotating mount lets you position it wherever you need. It also has adjustable parking grid lines and image settings, making it compatible with a variety of vehicles like cars, trucks, RVs, and trailers. So, is the LeeKooLuu backup camera worth it? Absolutely. With its easy installation, stable signal, durable build, HD picture quality, and smart features, it's a great investment for safer driving. Number 2. The AUTO-VOX CS2 Wireless Backup Camera. Whether you're a new driver or just want extra safety while parking, this camera promises crystal clear imaging, easy installation, and a stable wireless connection. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. One of the standout features of the AUTO-VOX CS2 is its PC1058 sensor, which delivers vivid and stable images. Whether it's bright daylight or pitch black night, the 0.1 lumen rating ensures excellent visibility. This means no more struggling with blurry or grainy footage. What you see on the screen is exactly what's behind you. Nobody wants a complicated setup, and AUTO-VOX gets that. This backup camera only requires 2 simple steps. Power the monitor through your car's cigarette lighter and connect the camera to your reverse lamp. That's it. No drilling, no running cables across your vehicle. Just plug, connect, and go. Thanks to 2.4G wireless technology, the CS2 delivers a stable signal with zero interference for vehicles up to 33 feet. Unlike other backup cameras that may lag or disconnect, this one maintains a smooth and consistent connection, perfect for SUVs, trucks, vans, and trailers. Tight parking spaces? No problem. The adjustable parking guidelines let you move them left, right, up, or down to fit your vehicle's size. You can even turn them off if you don't need them. This feature adds extra precision when squeezing into tricky spots. Built to handle rain, fog, and extreme weather, the CS2 boasts an IP68 waterproof rating. Plus, with a 110-degree golden viewing angle and a flip image function, you can switch between rear and front views. A great option for different driving needs. So, is the AUTO-VOX CS2 worth it? Absolutely. With clear HD imaging, easy installation, stable signal, adjustable guidelines, and waterproof durability, this backup camera is a fantastic investment for any driver. Number 1. The eRapta ERT01 Backup Camera. Whether you drive a car, SUV, truck, or minivan, this camera promises to make reversing a breeze. Let's check out its features, installation process, and performance to see if it's worth your investment. The eRapta ERT01 is designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to large trucks. It runs on 12 to 24 volts DC power and connects easily to various displays like radios, DVD players, or OEM navigators. No matter what type of vehicle you own, this backup camera ensures seamless compatibility. Installing the ERT01 is surprisingly simple. Just connect the camera's power to your reversing light and link it to your screen using the 26 feet RCA cable. With all the necessary accessories included, setting it up doesn't take much time or effort. Even if you're a beginner, the process is hassle-free. This camera is equipped with 6 glass lenses and an upgraded chip that delivers true color video in real time. Plus, the 10 LED lights enhance night vision so you can reverse safely even in complete darkness. No more blurry or grainy images. This camera ensures you always see what's behind you. Built with a rugged metal housing, the ERT01 is IP69K waterproof, meaning it can withstand rain, dust, and extreme weather. Whether it's scorching hot or freezing cold, this camera is built to last, giving you reliable performance in any conditions. One of the standout features is its 149 degrees wide viewing angle, which significantly reduces blind spots. Plus, the adjustable bracket allows you to position the camera just right for a better perspective, making parking and reversing easier than ever before. So, is the eRapta ERT01 Backup Camera worth it? Absolutely. With its easy installation, crystal clear imaging, durability, and wide-angle view, it's a fantastic investment for any driver. A backup camera is an invaluable safety feature that enhances your driving experience by providing a clear view of what's behind your vehicle, helping to prevent accidents and ensuring peace of mind. With its advanced technology, this tool is becoming increasingly standard in modern vehicles, offering convenience, ease of use, and additional security. Whether you're navigating tight parking spots or reversing in busy areas, a backup camera significantly reduces blind spots and makes driving safer for everyone. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our percektivepicks Palace family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.